Hey guys, this is Alpaco. Sorry I haven't had a video last week. I'm doing Casey Neistat's monthly course, and that's taking a bit of my time. Plus, I'm still trying to catch up on a lot of work, but I wanted to show you guys what I shot, and hopefully you guys like it. It was a really fun experiment. Really cool because I like shooting on phones, and this one, in this first film of the class, you have to shoot completely on your phone. It was a really fun experience. It really was hard because I was sick for a majority of the time. So hopefully it ended up pretty fun, or it ended up pretty good. Now, I hope you guys like it because I enjoyed it. That's all for now. I'll see you guys next time. I should have a video sometime this week. But that's it. Over and out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh, I'm going to play it. I almost forgot. I'm going to play the movie for you right now. I don't have anything figured out. Wander around. I can't even leave the house.
Because this video is meant to be super off the cuff.
Off the cuff? I just need a break. Maybe I just need a break. Oh man. Oh man, I have been here all day. Okay. How did I let this happen? Okay. Okay, I got this. I got an idea.